Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. I guess I just wanted to make a video real quick. I got a new Rubik's Cube today. The last one broke. Jackson, this one's yours. It kind of snapped right there, as you can see. And I think I'm even missing a couple pieces actually. So I kind of gave up on this one. I actually just got one from Catherine today. It was her bad old one, and what I did is I just took it apart. It was really dirty, so I just did some soap and water on it. It's 10 times better now. I was actually able to use it now. Also, I would be recording with my GoPro right now, but Jackson, this is for you. I actually was playing ping pong with it one time, and if you can see it here, I actually I was using the ping pong on the paddle, and I hit it a little too hard, and it slipped out of my hand one time, and it just dinged up the lens right there, if you can see it. And it won't even turn on anymore, even on the full charge. I contacted the GoPro service stuff, and they say the best they can do is they give me 40% off the Hero 3. I don't know if I'll take that yet, but I might be looking into that. It's not much, but it's better than no camera and with all the snowboarding and stuff. So what I actually did is, since I got this today and I cleaned it up, I was just going through with it, and I was just going through without my iPod, and I actually completed it by memory one time. And I was so happy with myself. I kind of showed my dad, I did it. And he's like, well, let me mix it up and then we'll do it again. So he mixed it up. I timed myself. I got about 5 minutes, 30 seconds, and I actually completed it all by myself. I was so happy. I guess I just wanted to... So I've done it twice by memory. I'm just going to record the third time. Hopefully this will be a good recording. If it isn't, we'll find out. But I got my official Speed Stacks mat right now. I'm going to try it. I'm going to mix it up, not looking. So I might speed through this in the editing. Alright, looks good and mixed now. I had to stop it real quick because my mom came in, but it's mixed up. I didn't record it. I'll just mix up a little more. Mix up a little more, and okay. So then I got, power went off on that. So it's all mixed up. Got my timer. Ready, go. But and there we go. No algorithms, no looking over here, nothing over there, no algorithms, and I got 2 minute, almost a 3 minute. Wow, that third time. I think 3 minutes is pretty good for the third time, if I do say so myself. So yeah, let's see, today is like February 28th or something, and yeah, thanks for watching, Jackson. Thank you for getting me involved in this, and I'm hoping for that the Dion to come soon. It says it's coming, I don't know, like February, March. Yeah, it says it's coming April 2nd. I really hope it doesn't. It's in China right now, but I don't know. And there we have it. I can do it by myself.